Welcome to BikeZone Pro. Reliance Jio is stepping into the electric mobility space with its much-anticipated 2025 Jio Electric Cycle. Designed for affordability and efficiency, this smart e-cycle aims to revolutionize daily commuting in India. Today on BikeZone Pro, we explore its features, performance, and why it could be a game-changer. Design and build. The Jio Electric Cycle boasts a lightweight yet sturdy frame, making it easy to handle in city traffic. It features a sleek, minimalist design with integrated LED lights for better visibility. The battery is neatly placed within the frame, maintaining a clean and modern look. Available in multiple colors, this cycle is designed for both urban riders and rural commuters. Battery and performance. Powered by a removable lithium-ion battery, the Jio e-cycle offers a range of 40 to 60 kilometers on a single charge, making it perfect for daily use. The efficient motor provides pedal assist and full electric modes, allowing users to switch between manual cycling and effortless riding. Charging is quick, taking about 3 to 4 hours for a full charge. Smart features. Jio has integrated smart technology into this cycle, including Bluetooth connectivity and a mobile app to track battery status, speed, and ride history. Some models may also feature GPS navigation and anti-theft security, making it a tech-savvy choice for modern commuters. Price and availability. One of the biggest highlights of the Jio Electric Cycle is its affordability. With an expected price starting around 20,000 to 25,000 Indian rupees, it aims to make electric mobility accessible to the masses. Pre-bookings are likely to begin soon, with a nationwide launch expected later, in 2025. Conclusion. The future of smart cycling. The 2025 Jio Electric Cycle combines affordability, innovation, and sustainability, making it an ideal choice for students, office-goers, and delivery riders. Would you consider switching to an e-cycle for your daily commute? Let us know in the comments below. Stay tuned to BikeZone Pro for more exciting updates in the world of electric mobility.